Welcome to Ananya Grover, who is a Technovation alumni and has a very successful story, I think, that I would like for her to share with us.
So let's start from actually a little bit before Technovation, actually. So I was born and raised, and I'm still currently based now in Delhi or near Delhi. So I grew up right outside of Delhi in Noida. And growing up, I think I observed a lot of like social problems around me and was always interested in finding ways to solve them, especially as I grew older into my teenage years. And one of the first causes that I started working on was actually like menstrual health, because that is a deeply like stigmatized issue in India. It has seen improvements. Like we've had more conversation around it in the past couple of years. There was a Bollywood movie that came out, but back when I was 16 or 17 in high school, it was still worse than it is right now. And I started this campaign called Pravahakriti with some of my friends in school. It was a year-long initiative to raise awareness about menstrual health, and we worked in our school, other schools, and our community. We did multiple projects. So some of it was like activities and awareness building, but one of the projects that I was like involved in was actually developing this video game that people could play, where there's a female character that shoots down menstrual monsters and collects facts and information along the way. So that was one of the ways where I explored my interest in technology, as well as like building something that would also engage kids, and both girls and boys, in understanding what our period education essentially. And then Technovation was the project that I worked on was also very close to me and very personal, because at that point, very recently, I'd lost two of my grandparents. And so I'd been thinking about senior care, and my teammates, like we were just like friends and classmates, and we got together. I showed them this program, Technovation, and convinced everyone to get on board. So I was thinking about senior care, and one of my teammates brought in concern about children in orphanages, and then somehow we struck upon this thing about how do we could we connect these two groups together, because senior citizens lack that sense of joy and comfort that comes with having like young children around you, and children without parents or grandparental figures growing up in orphanages have missed out on that element. So could we facilitate meetings between these groups through a mobile app? And that was what we developed. It was called MedTree. That was the project that I worked on for Technovation. There were two members on that team, me and like my friend Arifa, that built the Android app on MIT App Inventor. So this was before I actually knew like a programming language. And yeah, it kind of both of these experiences, I think, working on the menstrual health initiative, Pravahakriti, and Technovation, and getting to the world finals solidified my interest in computer science. And that's what I ended up choosing as my major in college at Princeton.